Hey y'all, here's Don again from Steve's Grow Garden, and today I want to give you a bit of information about using fruits as a nutrient source for all your plants and why you should do it. And if you like this video, give us a like, hit that notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get this party started. Did you know that some of the highest amounts of growth hormones can be found in fruits? Didn't think you did. Fruits also contain amino acids, auxins, gibberellins, cytokinin, and protein, exactly what you want to use for your growth. Amino acids that cannot be produced by the body are called essential amino acids. This applies to plants and humans alike. And when using plants as a nutrient source, it is important to choose the right ones, meaning the ones with the highest amounts of all available amino acids and nutrients. And there are many different types of fruits that you can use as fertilizers to help promote the health and well-being of your plants and your garden. Fruit peels contain high amounts of amino acids, some as high as up to 16 different amino acids. And by using fruit peels in your garden, you can encourage flower growth and, of course, boost fruit production. We use different types of fruits, and when using fruits, it's always better to peel them and then dry them. This helps them to retain the active and vital nutrients to be released and activated later when placed in soil. And the ones that we use in our grow include apples, bananas, lemons, grapefruit, oranges, apricot, and even pomegranate. And citrus fruits contains some of the highest amounts of amino acids, auxins, and gibberellins, as well as other plant growth hormones. Apple is one of the ones at the top of the list. Apples are nutritious just the way they are, and the most nutritious part about the apple is the peel, and is exactly where the plant growth hormones are located. Apple is one of the most amino acid rich fruits there is, boasting around 16 different amino acids and growth hormones. Apricot is another of our favorites. Apricots are high in potassium, and they have a moderate amount of phosphorus and magnesium. They are an excellent choice to use in the garden as a potassium source. Unfortunately, we love eating them, so hence we make marmalade. But we do use banana peels, for instance. Bananas are high in potassium, and they are a good source for plant growth hormones such as silica and tryptophan. They also contain high amounts of amino acids called auxins. Auxins inform plants when to form roots. And this is why they're so helpful in the garden. Next we have cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is another one of those fruits that you just love eating. But believe it or not, cantaloupe, watermelon, and honeymelon are actually from the marrow family, and you can use these as fertilizers for your plants. Citrus fruits, on the other hand, are nutrients that your garden should never be without. As far as citrus fruits are concerned, they contain some of the highest amounts of amino acids, auxins, and gibberellins, and they are also very high in potassium and nitrates. Here at Shivas, we have two different types of compost bins. One for normal fruits and vegetables like carrots, peas, corn, broccoli, and pineapples. And we have one for dry fruits and vegetables where we let the peels dry, or we dry them slowly in the oven and place them all in one big bin. That is, dried ferments, fruits, beets, apples, lemons, and of course grain. When you dry the nutrients and place them in the soil, they remain long available to the plants while at the same time developing a natural biodiverse vegan soil mixed together to form one big gigantic nutrient source for all your plants. Well, we hope you liked this video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel And in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to look at grain and see what grain has to offer for plants as far as amino acids, auxins, gibberellins, and plant growth hormones.